mistakenly, I accidentally unboxed molten hot dog a little, and now here he is, molten hot dog with hot dog. His crust on his butt. Okay. Portal buddies, portal buddies, portal buddies, portal buddies that look themselves all till they're dead. Hey, where's Ike?
Mom, where's my folder?
Lickety lick. Oh, his tongue's orange. His tongue's orange.
Wait, right here?
Rough, faith, but burn. Rough, faith, but burn. Molten hot dog. And I'll also show you guys some more Skylanders. I forgot to unbox these. Here's Ike, my dog. Oh yeah. Okay, come on, Professor Kate. We'll be getting out a few more Skylanders. I will show you.
He has so much. No, I can't get all this out because you have a lot.
Okay, we have chilling a bunch of these Skylanders.
Oh,
No.
getting all of them, you said.
I didn't say all of them.
Of course you did.
We'll put them back in.
Sam, talking like that, your computer's gone.
Sorry. Kate, I didn't say all of them.
You're recording that.
Yes, I know I was doing that. Now, let's see. Oh, yeah. There, I had, Sarah's one Jade Flashwing. I not know where I put just Sarah's one Jade Flashwing. It's just somewhere. So,
You're so annoying.
in the next video, we'll be making it with Jade's Flashwing. And we will be seeing there another day.